Hey Venice, welcome to our blog topic. Should I inspect my rental car before driving? The answer is yes, absolutely you should. In these photos, you're going to see sidewall cracking. In this one here, you're going to see dry rot, which is the tiny little cracks you see in the tread there. Notice the chipping too. In this next photo, you're going to see the third layer of this tire exposed down to the nylon belts, and you can see that those are pretty roughed up from the drive over as well. So here is a close-up of that. Not looking very good. Definitely unsafe. Keep in mind all 4 tires on this vehicle were in this condition. Make sure that when you are selecting your rental vehicle at these facilities that you look over the tires and you look over the vehicle for any possible red flags before you drive off the lot. If we can help in any way, we absolutely will. We always want to ensure your safety here. Thank you so much for joining us. We hope you learned something, and we'll see you next time.